In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly merge multiple Excel files into a single spreadsheet using Microsoft Copilot Chat. To get started, the first thing you want to do is place all of the Excel files you plan to combine into one dedicated folder on your computer. This is important because it keeps everything organized and makes it much easier for Copilot to understand exactly which files you want to work with. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the folder contains only the files you want included in the final merge. Next, open Microsoft Excel and create a new blank workbook. This workbook will act as the destination for your combined data. So starting with a clean sheet helps avoid confusion and keeps the process simple. Once your blank workbook is open, go to the top ribbon and click the Copilot icon. This will open the Copilot chat panel on the right side of your screen. If this is your first time using it, just give it a moment to load fully so you can work without interruptions. In the chat box, type a clear and direct prompt asking Copilot to combine all the Excel files from your folder path into one master sheet. The clearer your instruction is, the better the result will usually be. Keep your prompt focused on the task, so Copilot knows you want all of those files merged into a single worksheet. If Copilot asks for access to the files, go ahead and upload the files directly into the chat or confirm the folder location if prompted. This step is simply about giving Copilot permission to work with your data, and it's completely normal for that request to appear. After that, review the solution Copilot creates. In many cases, it will generate either a quick Python script or a Power Query setup. You don't need to be an expert in either one to continue, but it is helpful to glance through the output so you understand what Copilot is planning to do before you run it. When you're ready, click the Run or Insert button provided by Copilot. This will execute the merge and place the combined data into your active sheet. Depending on the number and size of your files, this may take a few moments, so give Excel a little time to finish processing. Finally, check your new master table carefully to make sure all rows and headers from the original files line up correctly. This quick review helps you catch any mismatched columns or formatting issues before saving. Once everything looks right, save your file. That's all it takes to merge your Excel files efficiently with Microsoft Copilot Chat. Give it a try and subscribe for more helpful productivity tips.